This is the Hubba Bubba hot chocolate gum.
Welcome to the post with Jordan and Cameron, cause they are the favorite brothers.
Now today I'm going to be trying this gum, and the challenge for this video is I have to keep this in while I solve this. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's see where to open it. It looks very disgusting, but I wanted to try it because I thought it would be fun. It smells like hot chocolate. Do you smell it, Molly?
No.
I smell it. Smell it.
So. Yep, it smells like hot chocolate.
I don't want to eat it. Okay. Okay, then you have to eat one.
We'll see.
I'll open it. And this is what it looks like. Looks like a piece of chocolate.
Yeah, it does. But it's bubblegum. What does it taste like?
Plastic.
Plastic? Not good?
It is not good at all. Oh man.
Stop moving.
Come on. Help me out a little bit. No. It's not working. Definitely hot cocoa mixed in with bubblegum. Oh, and this is not going. No. It's never gonna fall. Oh, come on.
He said, is the bubblegum good?
No, it's not good.
Is it getting better at all with time?
A little bit. The hot chocolate is going away a little bit. So it's leaving. There we go.
Now you can spit the gum out. Over there. Hubba Bubba hot cocoa. Made with real cocoa.
And that.
I can taste it.
Your turn?